When it comes to load or save files inside ZBrush, so ZBrush, unlike other software, have quite a different way to load, save, and open the files, the projects, the documents that we have here. So ZBrush saves two different types of files. One is the tools and other is projects or the documents. So we will go through both of these and I'll also explain benefits and downside of both of these files. So first, let's see the tools, how to bring the tools, how to save the tools, and what are the tools basically. So tools basically, if you will go to the light box, you will see there are tools over here and there are project over here, which are the documents basically. So they are different. They are not same. Now to load any tool, I have to go to the load tool option over here. And once I will go, I have different tools here which comes free with the ZBrush, and you can use any one of these. For example, I have here uh, Polysphere, I have here next human male average, okay, and I have here a Ryan Kingsland anatomy model. So these are the different one I have here. So let me open any one of these. Let me open the super average man, low polygon. Once I will open this up, you will see that it shows the tool on this side. It says tool and you can see that this is what you are going to bring. So it will not right away show on your screen. You have to click and drag, and once you are satisfied with the size, you're ready, and then you have to press the edit button or T on your keyboard, T for transform. So you can press T on your keyboard and you will go to the edit mode. So this is how you can bring any tool to your project. You can import as many you want. If I don't want like one, so I can bring some more. Okay, so I can do that. Now tools only saves the 3D models, not the document setting. For example, if I will color it, if I will apply any kind of material to it, okay, and if I do any kind of coloring over here, and you know, something like different changes over here or whatever you can say, okay, I will do some here, like I'm changing my document settings over here, I'm using a different kind of angle over here, okay, I have changed my camera angle, I have used a different kind of a maybe you can say color over here, okay, so I have done some changes. But if I will save it now as a tool, okay, how to save the tool, I have to go here to my save as option, okay, and I will save it with super average man low.ztl and save it. Now if I will go back to my document here, new document, I don't want to save it, okay, as a project file, so I already saved it as a tool, so that's why I press no. Now I have to go back here, load tool. Now the one that I saved it, I will just go to that one, here it is. I will open it up. Now I will start drawing, okay. Now what it will do is that, let me go back to the edit, okay. Now this silver foil thing is not showing because it was saved. It is showing because it is already selected. Let me do one thing here to avoid any confusion. Let me change it back to the normal material, which is the matte cap, okay. And now if I will go back here, load tool and bring it up, and here it is loaded. And if I will bring it here, you will see that everything is resetted here. It's not using the same material that I applied, no camera angle that I had applied, okay. So everything here is basically changed, okay. So that's what the tool gives you. It's only the 3D model. It will not give you the document settings. So that's why the file size is not huge. There are less chances of crashing the file or the file corruption. Sometimes your file may get corrupted if you're not working correctly on the ZBrush. So it avoids those kind of things. But you will not get all the changes that you have applied on it. Whereas if I will save it as a document file, so it will bring all the document settings with it. For example, let me change angle of it, okay, and move it down and apply a different sort of a material on it, okay, and a different color to it. And then if I will go to the my and do some kind of changes here, like so now if I will go to the document, save as, okay, save the document, not as tool. As you know, what I did here is that I went to the document, I pressed save as, and I didn't choose the save tool, I chose the save the document, because save the tool will save it as a tool what we were doing before, but I want to save this as a document. Now I can go here, write anything here, okay, uh, green man, for example, save it. Now I will go back to my document, okay, new document. I will change this one to regular, any other color, okay. Let me bring this one here, okay, just for the safe side. And now what I will do here is that I will go back to my document and open the new document. So it will ask me, do you want to change this? I think I will say, no, I don't want to save this one. So I will press no, and I will open the green man which I saved. And when I will open it up, you will see that the color, okay, the camera angle, and everything else is the material itself is saved with the subtool, with my model basically. This a tool cannot do. Tool only saves the 3D model with the 3D changes that you apply on it. Okay, like the brush setting that you apply on it. So this is the two main differences between the tool and the document. Document saves with the whole thing, with the color, with the whole thing, but it does not save. Uh, the document saves with whole thing, the color, the material, and everything. Okay, but the size is little. You can say it's a larger file than the tool, because tool does not save all these information. It only save the changes that you have done while applying sculpt on your 3D model. So it will save your 3D model without the document settings. So this is the difference between it. And you can import more than two different tools over here, and easily you can work. So let's see, let me go back here, make a new document window, and let's open or bring some tool here. Let me bring the same tool here, okay, and I will bring it here. Okay, now I have clicked on the edit mode. I have my model here, okay, and I can easily put it wherever I want. Now I will bring another one. To bring the another one, what you need to do simple is that you just have to go to your subtool, make sure you have, what is the subtool? It's like layers. It show you what object subtools are here. These 3D objects are called subtools. So when you will go to the subtool option below, you will see you have one over here. And then what I can do here is that I can duplicate this one, because if I will not duplicate and import another tool, it will replace this one. So I will press duplicate, and then I can bring the other one by pressing append and choose the one that I want here. Okay, like suppose I want Julie. So you can see the Julie is here, but Julie is quite bigger than this one, which you can easily fix on later on. So I hope you have understood about how to bring 3D tools and or save them, and how you can save as a document, and what are the difference between tools and the document itself. And it all depends on your personal preferences, what you want to save. You want to save it as tool or you want to save it as document. I personally like to save it as tool most of the time because usually it avoids all the hustle of the copying, pasting, and deleting objects and all those. However, if you want all the document settings in your ZBrush file, then it's better to save it as a document file so that you have all the settings. Thanks a lot, everyone, for joining my course and following up with me. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, so please subscribe to my channel. Also click on the bell icon so you can get the daily notifications. And I will really appreciate if you will watch all my videos online without downloading them, because I need all those watch time hours. Please just support me. Keep on sharing my videos with your friends. Ask them also to subscribe, because I will be coming up with a lot of new great tutorials and full courses. Also, don't forget to watch my online live streams and watch the introductory video of the live stream. You can also click on this icon on the top right corner where you can find my live stream introductory video, where I have explained about all my schedule that I'm will be working on my live streams basically. Okay guys, so take care and see you in the next topic or in the next chapter. So by the time, take care and keep subscribing, keep watching, and keep ZBrushing.